Kung Toby Chanco na yung fourth impeachment complaint, may basbas daw po ni former Speaker Martin Romualdez.
Tagal na po na hindi speaker si Speaker Martin, but I guess he has to prove kung meron pong basbas si Speaker. But as far as I know, the former Speaker is concentrating on his district. Recently nga po meron kaming meeting a few weeks ago at we are concentrating on our priority bills for the party, which is Lakas.
So walang basbas?
Wala. Kilala nyo naman ako, kilala nyo naman ang pinagdaanan natin noong 19th Congress as part of the Quadcom, as part of the Blue, as part of the Good Gov. So, hindi na po siguro kailangan tanongin kung bakit in-endorse ako itong fourth impeachment complaint.
Does that mean susuportahan ko ng Lakas itong impeachment complaint?
Well, yung basis naman po ng mga complaints halos pareha po ng 19th Congress. And, I cannot speak for the entire party, but yung basehan naman po niyan is napag-usapan na matagal na po na detalye yung mga yan, matagal na po napag-usapan. And of course, we are expecting that Lakas would also support the fourth impeachment complaint.
How about basbas po ni Speaker, di lalo na po Deputy Speaker po? Kaya po basbas yung dinaratan ng Kamara?
Parang pag sinabi kasi may basbas, sila po yung pinanggalingan. Hindi po, sarili po naming desisyon to. Actually, when I was with Manong Benny at sinabi niya na merong complainant, si Attorney Cabrera, nakita naman po namin yung complaint niya, which is very much similar po nung sa 19th Congress, except for the Madriaga testimony. So, hindi naman po ako nagdalawang isip kasi nga nakikita ko naman po na very strong po yung basis. At witness po kayo lahat dyan. Natalakay po lahat ito sa mga committees namin before. So parang no-brainer naman po siya for me.
Sir, clarification lang, basbas meaning may konsultasyon and approval. Walang basbas when it comes to the House Speaker and the former Speaker.
Wala po.